Alright, so check this out. What we got here is a Peugeot 2008. It is now installed with the Cobra Cat 2 touch immobilizer system. So this is the tag here. So you need to touch this in a specific location of the vehicle to be able to drive the car. Now, because the thief will not have the tag with them, they will not be able to disarm the system. So as you can see, if I try and start the car with the key, it will not turn on. So the vehicle is fully immobilized. So what you got to do, you need to touch the tag to disarm the system. I can't show you where the location is, but the moment I touch it, that's it. The system has now been disarmed and I am able to start the vehicle as normal. So if you want the touch immobilizer Cat 2 insurance approved system installed on your vehicle, give us a shout. See the link down below. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.